This video will show you how to connect and authenticate services and webhooks. Connecting applications and devices from the Internet of Things is easier with IFTTT. Not sure if your app or device has an IFTTT service? You can search by brand or product name on the Explore page, or check out our complete services list. On every service page, you'll find published applets. All IFTTT users can connect an unlimited number of published applets. You can also search for services when you go to create your dream applet. Just click on the trigger button and type the service into the search bar. Once you've selected the desired service for your trigger, then you can add a service for the action. There are two types of service connections: non-authenticated and authenticated. Non-authenticated services are the simplest to connect and do not require you to have an account or a password. All you have to do is click the Connect button on the service page, and that's it. Some of our favorite non-authenticated services are Space, which uses information from NASA and other sources to give you information and images from outer space. Date and Time, which allows you to create automations triggered by certain dates and times. Location, which creates a geofence based on your device's location. NPR and other news-related services, which keep you up to date with all the news stories published online. Authenticated services are services that require you to have an existing account and password. In order to connect an authenticated service, you must first log in and give IFTTT permissions to access certain information associated with your account. When you authenticate a service, you may see exactly which permissions you are granting to IFTTT. Try connecting one of these popular services, such as Slack, Google Sheets, or iRobot. Connect even more services using webhooks. Webhooks are links that carry data to and from applications. Some applications will let you add your own webhooks. IFTTT enables the use of webhooks as a trigger, query, and action. Webhooks can connect applications with IFTTT, even if the source of the data isn't a service on the IFTTT platform. Check out our guide about webhooks to learn how you can connect services to IFTTT that have yet to reach our platform. Or watch Andy's pro tips about how to use webhooks. If there's a service you'd like to see added to IFTTT, let us know in the help section. With IFTTT, everything works better together.